how do we know what time it is? For most of history, telling time was a giant puzzle. Let's see how our ancestors solved it. The very first clock was the sky. Ancient Egyptians used giant stone obelisks as huge sundials, tracking the sun's shadow to mark the day. Egyptians gave us the 24-hour day. But their hours weren't a fixed length. A summer hour was much longer than a winter hour. But what about at night? Around 1500 BCE, they invented the water clock. Water dripped from a stone bowl, and inside, marks showed hours passing. So we have 24 hours. But where did 60 minutes and 60 seconds come from? For that, we can thank the ancient Babylonians. The Babylonians used a number system based on 60. It's a super useful number because it can be divided in so many different ways. Later, Greek astronomers combined the Egyptian 24-hour day with the Babylonian base 60 system to create minutes and seconds. This system lasted for 1,000 years until medieval Europe invented the first mechanical clock around the year 1300. These early clocks had no hands or face. They used weights and gears to ring a bell, calling monks to prayer at certain hours. This was a huge leap. For the first time, time wasn't tied to the sun or a bowl of water. It was completely mechanical. The next giant step came in 1656. Scientist Christian Huygens invented the pendulum clock, based on ideas from Galileo. The pendulum's regular swing made clocks incredibly accurate. They went from being off by an hour a day to just a minute. This new accuracy meant it finally made sense to add a minute hand, and later, a second hand to the clock's face. From pendulums to springs in pocket watches to the quartz crystal vibrating inside your phone, our timekeeping quest is a story of thousands of years of brilliant ideas, starting with looking up at the sky. Thanks for watching.